Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of reviewing a video using MarkUp. First, I'll open MarkUp and select the video that's up for review. We're on version 2.3 of a new product explainer that our creative team has been working on. My aim is to make the review process as detailed as possible, but not to overwhelm the team with redundant notes that are hard to follow. I'll start adding my feedback throughout the video. It's easy to highlight the exact time code and area of the screen that needs adjusting. I'll be sure to tag the appropriate members that can address any specific notes I have. To make my feedback as clear and accurate as possible, I'll use the video range tool to highlight a specific section of the video that I want to comment on. Rather than using just one comment at a specific point in the video, I can comment on an entire range of time. Once that's done, I'll share the annotated video with the team. And just like that, it's ready for the next round of edits. With MarkUp, reviewing content, providing clear feedback, and keeping everything organized becomes a walk in the park.